So we just finished boiling the potatoes for the crispy smashed potato salad that we are using the DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce as the base. So they're nice and boiled, softened. So now we're just gonna smash them with anything you can find to smash. I just have like a glass cup here. So we're just gonna smash them down. And be careful, I don't know how you smash them. We're just gonna smash them down because these are smashed potato salad. I seen this all over. I think I got this recipe honestly on Instagram this time. And I was like, ooh, that looked good, nice and crispy. It reminds me of a German potato salad, because a German potato salad, you do kind of crispy potatoes and then you make, your potato dressing for it. So it kind of gave me that. So now they're all smashed down. So now we're gonna season them. So we're gonna put a lot of olive oil because we want them to crisp up, right? While they're in the oven. And I have the oven on at 425. So I'm going to, so you put them on some parchment paper. Let me open this. You want them pretty olive oily because we want them to crisp up. And you have it at 425 degrees in the oven, okay? And then we're gonna season them with some salt. So I have some kosher salt here. Just gonna put a little bit of salt on them. You know me and my seasoned pepper. So I have a little bit of seasoned pepper. Not too much on the pepper, you know what I mean? But just a little bit. And then we have smoked paprika. And not too much on that either. But don't worry, I'll have the measurements of everything. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven at 425 until it all crisp up. Probably about 20-25 minutes. Okay, y'all, so we got our crispy potatoes out of the oven. And then we're going to put all our fixings together. We have crispy potatoes, and then we're just gonna dump everything in. So we have some red peppers, red onion, celery, green onion, some dill, and some parsley. And then we have, of course, the DivineKuizine Remoulade Sauce as our dressing for this potato salad. So we don't have to put anything else in there. All we gotta do is do the DivineKuizine Remoulade Sauce. It has everything in there. I'm always showing you another way. And this is perfect for potato salad. So then we're just gonna stir everything together. It smells really good too, y'all. See how easy that was? And you can use all different types of herbs and everything that you want. And you're just gonna fold this in like so. Titties extra. And then we're gonna sprinkle some bacon on top. And the rest of the parsley. A little bit of dill. And there you have crispy smashed potato salad. Can't wait to go in for the taste. We use the DivineKuizine Remoulade Sauce as the base. So let's go in and taste. Delicious. You're getting all that good from this nice and creamy, a little bit of kick, a little bit of tanginess of the remoulade sauce. Those potatoes are nice and crispy. You got the fresh herbs in there, like the parsley, the dill, the saltiness from the bacon. The vegetables are nice and fresh. This is a perfect salad. This is a must make. You know, this would be good with like some barbecue chicken, some barbecue ribs. This is a perfect different way to have a salad. And if you don't want to put the bacon in or anything else, you can mix it up. But to get this recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com and pick up that DivineKuizine Remoulade Sauce, another way that I've showed you. And if you want to get this I can't say that. And to get this product on how I made this crispy smash potato salad, pick it up at the TikTok shop. Love y'all, Shay.